Have you ever just opened your StitchFix box and been like, they get me? So, let's get started, shall we? Do. Ah! Woo! I'm gonna burn your eyeballs out. All right. And let's see. All right. Don't peek. Here's our bag. We are on limited time, people. So, let's get started. Ooh, I see burgundy and mustard. Let's see what we've got. Oh, that is a beautiful mustard color. Oh my goodness. It's feels a little bit heavier than a t-shirt weight. And it is super duper stretchy fabric. And oh, check that out. It's actually like a see-through kind of fishnetty meshy detail. And it's got a little peekaboo back, which I don't usually like. My shirt today actually has a little peekaboo back like that. And I had to keep my cardigan on all day. Mostly because I was sweaty. But my classroom I'm in right now is super duper hot. All right. Wow. I just zoomed right through that. So that one is a Daniel Rain. I am so sorry. I've got I just walked in the door. I saw a StitchFix box and I ran. I didn't even take off my ID card yet or anything. So it is a Daniel Rain. There we go. Bryn scoop neck pleat detail knit top in mustard, and this is the size large, which I'm pretty glad about because it looks like it might actually be long enough. Next, an Alexander Jordan Ainsland 2-pocket top in olive, which I thought at first was actually just like a charcoaly gray, but it's just kind of a green tinty gray. You get a little bit more green on video. And nice and long. It's got like a almost silky feel to it, like a, maybe not silky cotton, maybe it's a poly blend. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to blast your eyeballs here. What's the polka dots? All right, next up, the Gilly Willet knit skirt in burgundy in a size large. All right, looks proper short, but I do like those little tuck details. That is super duper cute. I like that very, very much. I like willets like that. It's got like a black polka dot and like an off-white polka dot. Zoom it. Beautiful. All right, next up, a little something different. The Jazzy tie front knit top in light gray by Avalon Studio. Also a size large, feels a lot bigger and boxier, but we'll see how this tie front fits, because typically tie fronts don't work out for me. This one's off to the side. Maybe it'll be a little something different. And last and never ever least is a sweater. Is it a cardigan? It is. I love cardigans. So by Market and Spruce, the Anthony Cotton Blend J Pocket Cardigan. Oh, now I gotta see. Oh, it's got the mega pocket. Oh, I am so excited. So let's go try these clothes on our body right now. Okay, let's do it. First off, can we have a quick moment for actually wearing the pieces that we purchased? So, cardigan was actually surprisingly cozy, but also lightweight enough. Sweat through the top, was not a fan. This one, these are the ones I thought I was going to exchange for a bigger size, but I was like, no, I'm going to keep the 6s in maternity because I felt like they might relax a little, and they did, just enough. I adore these, so I'm going to try to remember to put the info about them, and if I forget, I'll put it underneath. Okay, I'll do that. So let's get some tops on. Alrighty, we're going to start with this mustard top, which I am actually a big fan of right off the bat. It's so comfy. It feels cool against my skin, and yet it isn't clinging to me. So I am liking it thus far. I love the color. I was actually looking for a top ignore that. Quite like this morning and not finding it because I wanted something that was quite a bit longer so that I could potentially tuck it in, especially with a skirt, or tuck it into my pants, which some people think is a faux pas when you're chunky, but I do not believe that. But it's also shaped enough that it doesn't make me look like a blob. I feel like fitting this particular part of my body tends to make clothing manufacturers make blobs. So love this detail here. That is stunning. And it's comfy. It's pretty plain, so I'm hoping it's not super duper expensive, but I'm liking it. I could see myself wearing it. All right. What do we think of this one? Fake pockets, so it's just booby flaps. Huh. It's fairly comfortable. The sleeves are too short if I try to move at all. And it's a little, because it's loose, see? But it's tight if I try to move forward. And I've got pretty narrow shoulders because there's actually a lot of bunching here where it's supposed to go on my shoulders. So it is not good for my particular body shape. However, fabric is a very nice lightweight. It is cool, pretty comfy. So you've got shorter arms, kind of a more broad shoulder. This might actually work better. I wouldn't say go any bustier though, because even with as much space as I have, as soon as I move, I'm having some bunching here, which I'm not a fan of. But it is a really nice long length. So especially if you want a more casual length, I'm not super into it. I think it is a little bit too much farmy for me. But it's cute, and those that can pull it off, go pull it off. Like, it's cute. Just not for me. Okay. Style-wise, I'm not into it. So I will get that out of the way. The print is kind of cute. I usually prefer ditzy prints. So it's a little loud. I don't get this. Like, I feel like it almost wants to like hold it when I reach my arms, which would be cool, but it doesn't actually tighten any. It's a fake tie. And it's got like racing stripes in a little faux velvet velour here going on. So style-wise, not my favorite. It's not doing my body any favors. Nothing. However, it is comfy. Like, I would take a nap in this. I would wear this if I was sick. Maybe for a cleaning day. It's a little stretchy, but a really, really nice quality fabric. The actual knit is super, super well done. Okay. Good amount of texture, but super duper smooth, super duper soft, and really quite comfortable. It does go a little bit short in the sleeves when I'm moving about, but it's not flattering. So, not for my body, maybe for yours. All right. Speaking of not flattering, I want to say I kid, but it's so-so. It feels good. It feels nice. There's not a whole lot of pushing, pulling, tugging, or otherwise. Because it's a knit, you can see your layers, so you'd have to wear something fairly neat. I think if you knew what to go with it, though, it would be very put together. I can actually see it with, like, kind of a frilly, florally top, maybe, with, like, a blazer, you know? So, length is pretty good. I am impressed. It is above my knees in the back. Just trying to work with booty, which usually I have the opposite issue. So it would need some shifting around. So at my belly button here, smallest part of my waist, well, smallest part of this waist, I think it might actually be one of the biggest parts of my waist. Anyway, It is just past my knees, so not quite a mini skirt, but a knee length, which I dig. I do like the details. I feel like it needs to be lined up better. And lining up with the tags in hand are not doing a thing for me. Because, like, this is where the pleats are. So they've got to be in front somewhere, right? Kind of falls like a little waterfall. So, I feel like I might need help on this one because it's comfy. I feel like I've got this color a lot. Like, I've got things that'll match with burgundy and taupe and blue. This one is tight enough to make a line, but it's not uncomfortable. Like, there's a lot of stretch left. But I'm not certain about it. It's been a long time since I've been like, oh, I'm not certain. So, this one is a hard maybe, because I do rather like it. Oh, wait, didn't do a spin test. Hey. Ooh, it doesn't go out. It, like, kind of whooks itself. I like it. All right. And this dreamy cardigan. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna put it on right away. It's got like a drape neck to it, kind of foldy over so we can have a lovely shawl collar. Oh, it's so comfy. Oh, look how long the arms are. Oh, my monkey arms are covered. It is a different burgundy. It's a lighter burgundy than I have on. And the pockets are so big. Oh my word. So this J pocket, it is part of like this whole edge. So it's the edging, makes the edging of the pocket. Look at this. Look at this. I can get my little dog in here. Like I could pick up a student and just pop him in, bring him in from recess. Look at that. That was a weird thing to say. I'm going to not say that. So, is it particularly flattering? Cardigans rarely are. But it's fun. So, let's check prices because now I'm hype. Gosh, speaking of StitchFix clothes getting their use, I am such a fan of this green top. I almost felt bad for splurging, but it's so comfy. And it's actually washed super duper well. Like, I'm pleased. Alrighty, so first up, I did want to include that this was Devin, and Devin is the one that kind of rocked my last fix. That was really good. And her listening was, again, bang on. So, she went through the feedback I gave her, and she sent pieces that fit that a lot better. So she picked out this mustard top, the cute skirt, everything she had a reason for, which I absolutely love, and I absolutely appreciate when they make a mention. I think even on our comments on some of our last videos have been like, yeah, it's been off for me too, which sucks. You know, it does. And I think it's okay to say sometimes that you can be disappointed, but we can't stay in that mindset. So let's find out the prices of what's going on here. So, first off, let us start with the not flannel plaid shirt. Okay. By Alexander Jordan, the Ainsland 2 pocket. Okay, in olive, $38. So, StitchFix cheap, fairly reasonable quality-wise. I think it would make someone very, very happy. This one is the Alvin Studio Jazzy Tie Front Knit Top. Also, $38. The David Rain Bryn Scoop Neck Pleat Detailed Top in Mustard. $58. I love this top, but I was expecting 28 to like 38. even for Stitch Fix. 60 bucks for a t-shirt. That's a little much. Okay. The Gilly Will It Knit skirt in burgundy, $48. So, not super bad, not super good. Not a big fan of that price tag. So I'm leaning closer to the no side of it because that's extensive. All right. And last, but not least, the Anthony Cotton Blend J Pocket Cardigan by Mark & Spruce. How dare you do such a thing to me? It is $68. Now I'm a little stuck. But I had a does it bring me joy moment, so I'm thinking that is a strong possibility. So our subtotal is $250. But if you buy all 5 pieces, you get the buy it all discount of 25% off, which means that they will take off $62.50, which is not bad considering the prices in this box, right? Bringing your subtotal, if you purchased everything, to $187.50, which is not terrible. Maybe. So, let me know what you think. Cool? Cool. I love you so much. Thanks for stopping in. Bye-bye.